Welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to look at this 2007 Porsche Cayman two-door coupe. Just an absolutely stunning vehicle here. Black with black interior, 35,000 actual miles. It is a 5-speed manual. As you don't see a lot of manuals left, so this is a special car. But as we review the car, look over it, if I'm going too fast with the camera, please visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. We do have a lot more pictures of the vehicle. It is outside in much better light. And you'll see all angles inside the front, the bonnet, and also the rear engine compartment. Tell you a little bit about Classic Cars of Sarasota as we walk around and show you the excellent paint on this 2007 Porsche. We are located in Sarasota, Florida, just north of University on 301 on the corner of Televast and 301. We keep about 100 cars in inventory. About 80% of those are domestic classic cars. The other 20% are luxury, exotic, and or European. Won't show you the entire warehouse or go in the second room over here, but wanted to just give you a quick glimpse of it as we're back on this 2007 Porsche. But as I was saying, we keep about 100 cars in inventory. We're a full service dealership, so if you are not in Florida and you have an interest in this Cayman or anything else you may see on the website or in the video, please give us a call, 941-355-1955, or visit the website at classiccarsofsarasota.com. Last year we shipped to over 19 US states and 9 countries around the world, so we can certainly get you this Porsche wherever you may be, or any of our other vehicles. If you have finance needs, we do have several late model finance lenders, and we work with other independent lenders as well. For classic cars, we have several classic car lenders that we work with that will finance your classic car and get you the dream car you've been waiting for. So again, we can certainly ship your car, get it financed. As I mentioned, we shipped over 19 US states and 9 countries last year. This 2007 Porsche Cayman, black over black, just a beautiful vehicle. 2.7 liter, a flat 6, 245 horsepower. As you can see, 5-speed manual, exciting, thrilling to drive, in control. Handles extremely well. Well-optioned vehicle. It has telescopic wheel, air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, the Sport Chrono Package. We'll open up the door here, let you see inside. We'll actually start it up here. Let you hear it. As you can see, just over 35,000 miles. Sorry for the dark video. Please visit the website. You'll see the interior in much better light. Let's make sure we're in neutral here when we start it up. If you can hear, the AC is blowing. It does blow cold. The AM/FM disc player. We do not have our seatbelts on. That is what's showing in red there as the door is open. So we can't let you hear the exhaust. Again, traditional Porsche Cayman sound, as you would anticipate. Many Porsches, you know it's a Porsche by the sound. fast idle just kicks off as the car is coming up to temp. Fan is on. Again, the paint is in excellent condition, which you would anticipate with a low mileage car. We're not touching. Just want to make sure we're not hitting the car next to us. So you can see that. Again, we're not, it does come with WeatherTech floor mats. Not completely up to temp yet, but we will rev it up just a little bit so you can hear it. It's about 4,500 RPM. Drops down to about 800, which you would expect, 800-900. Go ahead and shut it off here. Again, if you are interested or have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. Visit the website. If you have an interest, please give us a call. We certainly appreciate you tuning in today. If you're looking for additional content in the future, please like and subscribe below. And again, as always, we appreciate you. Our phone number is 941-355-1955, and the website is classiccarsofsarasota.com. Thank you.